website, where can I upload my application apart from Play Store to go viral without much competition? Alright, so in this particular video, I'm going to simply solve this particular issue. I know most of you are having the same question as well. The funnest part is this: you can actually get a lot of traffic, get a lot of downloads to your application even without publishing it on Play Store or App Store. There are other application app stores out there that can actually allow you to publish your application and get downloads to it. Okay, if your application has been built, be it game or mobile application, you can actually publish it on this 8 website, which I'm going to simply review right now. They're all low competitive, which means you're not going to be competing with a lot of people, and they get a lot of traffic every single day. People search it on these app stores to discover new applications. Alright, and also at the end part of this very video, I'm also going to give you a basic strategy that can actually allow you to also get a lot of downloads and installs for your application. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The first app store to upload your application and get download in 2026 right now is itch.io. This is itch.io right here. This is a browser app store where you can actually upload your game, your mobile apps on this same platform. Okay, and most especially, most people that come to this very platform are basically here for games. All right, if you have a game application that you've already developed or my team developed for you and monetize it, you can use this website to upload it to get download from any part of the world. All right, so you need to do right and simply come over to this very session. Right, you're going to simply go ahead and register as a developer. When you register, you're going to see a lot of categories right here, and if you come over to this session and go ahead and register and get this done for yourself. All right, and the second website where you can actually upload your AdMob application or game is Xanomi AppStore. All right, so this one is Xanomi AppStore, and currently they are called Get Apps. All right, so if you come over to this session, you're going to see popular applications that are also on Play Store and App Stores uploading on this same website. Okay, that's to show you the kind of traffic this particular website gets and the authority it gets. Okay, though big platforms are uploading here, but there are other developers that doesn't know about this very app store. Okay, so that's going to simply give you a huge advantage because you're going to simply be getting more download on this very platform. Okay, so all you need to do is simply come over to this session, and if you want to download apps, you can simply go ahead and select the type of apps you want to download. If you go to categories right here, you're going to see the type of apps you can actually upload on this very platform. Just select the category of your application and start uploading your application. Okay, remember I told you I'm going to simply give you a strategy that's going to simply help you get more download even after publishing on all of these platforms. Okay, and this is going to simply help you a lot. So if I were you, I will stick to the ending part of this very video to get all the goodies. Okay, and if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and on this same website you can also publish games. Okay, so if you have a mobile app, this platform is good to go for you. So this is the second on this very list, and the third on this very list we have APK Pure. All right, so this is APK Pure, and most of you knows about this one. This one also comes in web browser, and also they have their mobile apps. Okay, if you download the mobile app, this is the app that can actually help you to see your apps, okay, on which you've already uploaded right here. Okay, so this is the application right here. This is the website. All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up as a developer. Okay, once you sign up as a developer, you can publish your application right here and get more downloads to your apps. Okay, and the best thing about these apps is that they're going to simply give you a lot of visibility, and they're going to simply promote your app for free. How do they do that? Once you upload your application right here, and somebody get to search anytime that is related to your own app, or for instance, if the person search for tools, if your app name has this particular keyword, this app store is going to simply bring out lots of stuff with that same keyword. You can see right here, every one of them has a tool, okay, as a keyword. Okay, and that is going to simply help you a lot once you sign up as a publisher, and you have to simply go ahead and publish your application. This is the third on this very list, and the fourth on this very list we have APK Mirror. Okay, so this particular application right here also works like APK Pure. All right, this very page is the front end, okay, for users to download application, and for you to upload your application, you're going to simply go to the back end just like you uploading from Play Store. This is my Play Store name right here. Okay, if you want to download the application which we've already uploaded on Play Store, you have to go to Play Store app, which is the front end. Okay, that's basically how this section as well works. Okay, this is where people can actually see the apps. You can see CapCut is already here and lots of them. Okay, and if you scroll up, you're going to see this is the button that's going to simply allow you to upload your app. You can see you have to simply click on this to upload your application, your APK file. You add your app name, add your email, add some description about your application, and definitely this is going to simply allow you to upload your app. Okay, once your app is uploaded, they're going to simply review your application for it to go live. All right, so this is the fourth on this very list. We have the fifth one, which is AppStore. Okay, this particular one right here, almost every Android that you buy today has this particular app store. When you buy an Android mobile phone from from the store and you open it for the first time, or you launch your mobile phone for the first time, there are applications you're going to simply see there, right? You're going to see, most especially, you're going to see Facebook right there. You're going to see AppStore, which is this very one right here. You're going to see PlayStore. You're going to see YouTube, all right? You can install it on your mobile phone and use it to access your app, okay? So this is a cool one for you to actually get more download. This platform is also going to simply promote your application. When you click on the developer section, go ahead and upload your application from here, all right? So if my team are building your application and monetizing it with AdMob, they're going to simply help you upload your application on one particular store. The next app store you can actually use to upload your application and get a lot of downloads, which is the number 6, is AppStore. Okay, so we have AppStore, a platform where you can actually use to download any mobile game, any mobile app of your choice, okay, and more especially Android mobile games, all right? As you already know, Android market is very much larger than the iOS market, okay? Go ahead and upload your apps right here. You can see this is the game section and this is the app section, okay? And there are a lot of categories of app you can upload on this very section, okay? The 7th one is the Up to Town, okay? This is a website where you can actually upload your apps, okay? You can upload Android apps, iOS apps, and also Windows app, okay? So you need to do right now, simply go ahead and register your account as a developer. Go ahead and sign into your account and select the type of app you want to upload. Yeah, if you want to upload iOS app, just select on this very section right. You're gonna see this is gonna simply refresh, and whatever you see here are basically for iOS, okay? And if you scroll up again, you're gonna see we have this section for Windows, and if you click on that, these sections right here are all for Windows. You're gonna see Windows apps, you're gonna see Windows game, right? So for you that is uploading Android app, you have to simply select this one, which is the Android logo here, and when you select that, you're going to simply see your application which you've already uploaded right here. And when you search for your app from this very section, you're going to see your app, okay? So that's basically how these two work, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and register your account as a developer. When your account is registered, go ahead and upload your app. So remember, if you're monetized with AdMob, you have to make sure you share your application out there for people to use. That's basically the way you are going to simply build business out of all of this, all right? So the next one on this very list, we have Hawaii App Store, okay? So it is called Hawaii App Gallery. So this Hawaii right here is a mobile phone company. Like you have Samsung, like you have Techno, itel, and a lot of them, right? So as you already know, Samsung itself has an app store where you can actually upload your stuff, okay? And Samsung requires you to make huge payment, and that's why I didn't add it on this very list, okay? Because most of you are on tight budget, so most of these platforms which I've shown you are almost free, okay? And go ahead and upload your app on this very store, and that is going to simply help you. Remember, I told you I'm going to simply give you something that's going to simply help you a lot to get more download. So most of you have a blog website, but you don't really know that you can actually use your blog to promote your application. Most of you are neglecting the power of your blog, right? Remember, your blog is ranking on Google. Your blog is a platform where you can actually use to review most products and get sales for them, but that same website can actually help you to promote your own brand, like your application. All you need to do is simply write series of reviews about your application and compare your app with other application on your website, okay? For instance, if the name of your application is Montag and there's another application that does the same thing that your app does, you have to simply compare your application to that particular application and give more reason why your own app is the best, okay? And because people are searching for the other application that have already blown up, they're going to simply discover your own application. Some of them are going to simply go as far as sharing it to their friends, using Zenda to share the application to a lot of people, and you might be sitting here, you don't know that your app have already traveled out there, okay? And that is going to simply blow your mind if you use this particular strategy, okay? So apart from this, there are other ways you can actually discover where you can actually publish your app, okay? For instance, if you head over to your Google AdMob app, click on this Add App. They're going to simply ask you the version of your application. You're going to simply tell them Android. So if you click on this continue button here, this is going to simply open all the app stores you can actually go and use to upload your app, okay? For instance, you can use Amazon App Store. So just come over to YouTube, then search upload app, Mr. John Francis. The YouTube is going to simply bring out most of the videos about I've already done about uploading app, okay? You can see the first one here is uploading app on AppStore, okay? This is Amazon App Store, and all you need to do is simply come over to your Amazon right here. You're gonna see this is Amazon App Store right here, and this one right here is also cool for you. If you have Oppo App Store Okay, we have Samsung Galaxy. Like I showed you that Samsung also has their own app store. This is what they are talking about right here. Samsung Galaxy app store. We have Vivo app store. We have Xiaomi app store, which is the Get app, which is this particular one right here, which I told you. This is it here. And all you need to do right now is simply take action right now and start uploading your videos. Get your app developed. If you don't have a developer, get my team to build your application and monetize it with your AdMob app, and we're going to simply help you upload on one store, and while you take care of the rest. Okay, even with one store, you can actually copy your link and start running some paid promotion for your application. All right, and that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to get updated on what we do here. All right, and if you want me to make any video about all of these very app stores right here which I've shown you, just let me know, and I'm gonna simply make a full detailed video on how to upload your app in all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna simply see you in the next video. All right.